Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just picked up my DJI Neo drone, and I noticed one thing when I was making videos with it. I could not get it to download videos to my cell phone. I have an iPhone. It might be for other phones also, but the issue was whenever I would try to download a video off of this drone to my phone, it would get stuck. It just would not start to download the video, and it was just you know, it looked like it had started downloading it, but the circle would never go around the square saying that it was actually downloading. So what I found out you can do is, if you go into the settings of your phone, what you want to do is turn off your cellular data, just like that, and then it will start the video downloading process. I'm not sure why it does that. Maybe it'll fix itself in a future update, but for some reason, if you have cellular data on, you cannot transfer files from this to your phone. The way I've been doing it so far was just hooking it up to the computer. That's not always convenient. It's a lot easier just to do it on the phone, where you'll be most likely editing your videos to post on TikTok or wherever else. But yeah, hope that helps some of y'all. It was really frustrating. None of the videos would download. I ended up having to hook it up to my computer, and now I found a way to fix that. So I hope this video helps you out. Check out my other videos. See you in the next one.